Introducing the remote control robot.
Wag a tail.
Look at me.
Greenbo toy dog is the cute.
The non-intelligent patrol dog. It's not.
Introducing the remote control robot dog from Top Race. Give your dog commands with the included easy-to-use remote control. And watch as he plays the day away. Take him for walks.
Somersault.
And even control him using your voice. He even imitates other animals. So what are you waiting for? From Top Race.
Shall we go?
Follow me.
Wag a tail.
Look at me.
I am an adorable Corgi with big shining eyes, fairy ears and toes. Am I cute? Look, my sassy butt. Shake it. Is it funny? Let me show you my magic item. Touch my forehead and I can dance with you. I am an adorable Corgi.
Greenbo toy dog is the cutest furry companion, and she's ready to be your new best friend. Make her walk, make her bark, and sing happy songs together. You can give her a snack from her very own bowl. Play fetch with her very own ball, and let her have fun with her very own chew toy. Make sure she always looks her best with her brush, hair dryer, and mirror. Every day is a good day when you spend it with your best friend.
The non-intelligent patrol dog. It's not an ordinary robot dog. When I go home from school, it'll bark at me. Like a spoiled child. When I am drawing, it's always with me quietly. It's a dog most obedient to me. Patrol dog, come over. It can sing as well. Dance for me. Play with me. And make me fun. The non-intelligent patrol dog, my best friend.